Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. Well, first off, I need to apologize from you because we did not have made a video like a month because there is a medical conditions has been made our way blocked to make videos. So at the moment we just solved that problems, me and my tutor and my partner also, we just handled it, and right now we are going to make videos again for the YouTube at the moment. And well, I was off for the market for a moment, but at the moment, if I look at the market when I was made my last video about my last video, if I have to talk about the American markets, in my last video we were just about in the 11th of April, 13th of April, at that days we were just at these sites, and I made a call over here about like this site in the 2nd of April. I said, okay, this is a good zone to buy because it made a dip and then made a huge price increasement because of the good news, and then the little bit bad news has been came, but it did not go down. Also it made this line support, stayed above the 6,500 support line, and I said this is the time for buy. You can look at my videos. Well, at the moment in the American markets, it gone past for the Fibonacci level and then hit this top level of this trend line. As you can see over here, there is a trend line over here, and for my opinion this is not a good time for buy. But if you are going to hold it, just wait for the Fibonacci to be broken. We need to see in the markets about Tuesday, Wednesday or something like that. If this Fibonacci will be broken, it means a sell for the S&P 500. If I have to look at the gold seems like tries to make a bottom to the 4,500, but it seems that not like a good support line. I believe it will go back to the 4,350. This is my prediction. But for the fact I can say about this, if it's going to go below the 4,500 level, this is a sell signal. This will go back to the 4,300. But if it's going to hold it, just hold. This is not a very good spot to buy at the moment. My prediction, it will go back to the 4,300 levels. This will gave us a buy opportunity over here. If you are really like to buy gold, I don't suggest to buy gold over here. This could be a support line, but it's too much near from the support line, so this is risky. If it's going to see like 2 or 3 days later about it's going to still not going to break this support line, I would suggest you to buy gold at the moment, but this is too much risky at the moment to buy over here. If you look at the silver goes for good. It break its 80 level at the moment, and within that just been rebalances occurring. Seems like it's going to hit 92 levels in the first time, and then if it's going to break the 94, I don't think it will going to break over like in May, maybe in June. It can go back to June. It can go like the 114 at that time. If you look at the crypto, if you look at the weekly, you can see this Fibonacci level. It always does fit in this Fibonacci level. As you can see, top, down, this side, top. Little bit violation, but it came back. It's a violation little bit occurred over here. The Fibonacci has not been grown yet at that time, and then Fibonacci it struggled back to the Fibonacci. Again 124, went down, broke it really good, and 83 is the most important Fibonacci point at that time. Also got sold, bounced back, and it hit to the Fibonacci and made its way for the $74,000 for the Bitcoin. My suggestion for the Bitcoin, I think it will going to hit the $74,000 at that time, and at that time we should reconsider it. But at the moment, I do not suggest to buy it at the moment. If you did not sell it Bitcoin at this time, I won't suggest you to sell it right now because the 74 could occur. Well, I'm going to say this. If you can say I can wait, this 74 could support this price. But there is still 3.5% gap over here, so it can go back. Seems like it's going to go down like 3.5. My opinion about this, if you can tolerate the Bitcoin, you say the Bitcoin is the later times gold in a digital gold, I would suggest you to buy the $74,000 price range for the Bitcoin. But if you do not believe it, don't buy it. My opinion about the Bitcoin, within the Strait of Hormuz situations, the Iran wants to take the Strait of Hormuz pass about with the Bitcoin. So that's the reason it can pump up Bitcoin, and my money is not going to have to go somewhere else at that moment because I do not need that money at the moment. So that's the reason I'm buying Bitcoin. I'm just holding it at the moment. So my opinion about your Bitcoin situation, it is up yours, but I told mine because I don't know your financial situation, so I cannot give you advice about it. But it seems like it's going to go down like 3.5% in the 74. With the XMR, As you can see through here, this is the support line. Also, it went below it at the time, and then it could not pass and struggled and pumped up and retesting at the moment. I suggest the Monero to be a hold at these times, because the Monero, I believe, it's future in the later time. So thank you for watching my video. See you all.